Hey everyone, welcome back to AWESMR Toys. Today, we have an awesome video for you. We're going to be cutting up all these fruits and vegetables. Here's a closer look at all the fruits and vegetables we'll be cutting today. Give this video a thumbs up if you like fruits. I'm sure most of you don't like veggies, so how about giving this video a thumbs up if you don't like veggies? Okay, so we'll be using this knife and this blue cutting board. Let's start by chopping up this corn. For a vegetable, corn has a pretty sweet taste. Add a little butter, some salt, and you'll have yourself a delicious corn on the cob. Alright, let's move on to another vegetable. Here's a red onion. Oh boy, let's get ready for the tear works. Ah, my eyes! They sting so much. Let's move on. Let's move on. Woo! Okay, I'm feeling a lot better. Now let's slice this red tomato. How can you hate tomatoes? You can make pizza sauce with them. I want some pizza now. Let's move on to another vegetable. Here's a bright orange carrot. Fun fact, eating a bunch of carrots can cause a person's skin to turn yellowish orange. But don't worry, you need to eat a lot. Now let's move on to a sweet fruit. Here's a red strawberry. Here's an interesting fact. There are about 200 seeds on an average strawberry. Whoa, that's a lot of seeds. Let's move on to another fruit. Ooh, this fruit is super refreshing. Here's a watermelon. Here's a fun fact. A watermelon has a shelf life of 3 to 4 weeks once you cut it from the vine. Okay, here's another sweet fruit. Check out these purple grapes. Fun fact, grapes are part of the berry family. Did you know that? Now let's move on to a sour fruit. Here's a lemon. Can you eat a lemon? Cause it's super sour for me. But if I did eat a lemon, I would eat this right after. A sweet pineapple. Fun fact. The word pineapple was first used in 1398 in reference to a pine cone. That's a long time ago. Okay, now let's slice this orange in half. This one's pretty easy, but oranges are one of the most popular fruits around the world. Let's switch it up to another vegetable. Here's a green broccoli. Guess what? If you don't harvest the broccoli on time, the head will be full of yellow flowers.
I see.
Now let's slice this purple eggplant. Fun fact, botanically, eggplant is a berry, but culinarily, it's a vegetable because it's used in main dishes and not eaten for sweetness. Here's a super fresh vegetable. It's a cucumber. Here's a tip. If you're feeling tired in the afternoon, try eating a cucumber instead of drinking a soda. And last but not least, here's a yellow banana. Fun fact, humans share about 50% of their DNA with bananas. What? That's interesting. If you want to watch more surprise toys being opened, be sure to click that subscribe button. See ya!